Hello. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Today, we're going to talk about secrets. Can you keep a secret?
This is going to be an interesting conversation. Everyone has secrets, right?
That's true, and today we'll learn useful phrases for talking about secrets in English.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
Let's get started. So, James, do you have any secrets? Of course I do. Everyone has secrets. Some are small, some are big.
That's true. Secrets are a normal part of life. But the question is, can you keep a secret?
I think I'm pretty good at keeping secrets. My friends trust me with their secrets.
That's important. Being trustworthy is a valuable quality. Have you ever told someone's secret by accident?
Actually, yes. Once I accidentally told my friend's secret, and I felt terrible about it.
Oh no. What happened?
My friend told me she was planning a surprise party for her boyfriend. She said, "Don't tell anyone. It's a secret."
Okay, so it was supposed to be a surprise.
Yes. But then I was talking to another friend, and I mentioned the party without thinking. I completely forgot it was a secret.
Did the boyfriend find out?
Thankfully, no. But my friend was upset with me. She said, "I trusted you. Why did you tell?"
I can understand why she was upset. Keeping secrets shows that you're reliable.
I know. I apologized many times. Now I'm much more careful when someone tells me a secret.
That's good. We all make mistakes, and we learn from them.
Exactly. What about you? Are you good at keeping secrets?
I try to be, but sometimes it's really hard, especially when the secret is exciting news.
Like what kind of news?
Well, last month, my sister told me she was pregnant. She said, "This is between us. Don't tell anyone yet."
Oh, that's big news. That must have been hard to keep quiet.
It was so difficult. I wanted to tell everyone, but I promised her I wouldn't say anything.
How long did you have to keep the secret?
For 2 whole weeks. It felt like forever. Every time I talked to my mom, I wanted to tell her.
But you didn't tell, right?
No, I kept the secret. My sister finally announced it to the family herself. I was so relieved.
That shows you're trustworthy. Your sister knew she could count on you.
Thank you. It's important to be someone people can trust with their secrets.
Absolutely. You know, there are different types of secrets. Some are fun secrets, like surprise parties or gifts.
Yes, those are happy secrets. What other types are there?
There are personal secrets, like something private about yourself that you don't want others to know.
Right. For example, maybe you're embarrassed about something from your past.
Exactly. Or maybe you have a fear or insecurity that you keep secret.
Those kinds of secrets can be heavy to carry alone.
That's true. Sometimes it helps to share those secrets with someone you trust.
I agree. Having someone to confide in can make you feel better.
To confide in someone, that's a great phrase. It means to tell someone your secrets or private thoughts.
Yes, like, I confided in my best friend about my problems.
Perfect example. So, who do you confide in when you have a secret?
Usually my best friend. We've known each other for years, and I know she won't tell anyone.
That's a special friendship. It's important to have someone like that in your life.
It really is. What about you? Who do you trust with your secrets?
My older brother, he's always been there for me, and he's very good at keeping things confidential.
Family can be great for that. They usually have your best interests at heart.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about phrases people use when sharing secrets.
Good idea. The most common phrase is, "Can you keep a secret?"
Yes. When someone asks you that, they're checking if you're trustworthy before they tell you something.
Right. How do you respond to that question?
You can say, "Yes, of course," or "I promise I won't tell anyone."
Good responses. Another common phrase is, "Don't tell anyone, but..."
Oh, yes, that phrase. When someone starts with "don't tell anyone but," you know a secret is coming.
Exactly. Like, don't tell anyone, but I'm thinking about quitting my job.
That's a perfect example. What's another phrase for secrets?
How about, this is between us? That means the information should stay private between the two people talking.
Great phrase. For example, this is between us, but I don't really like Sarah's new boyfriend.
Yes, exactly. Another phrase is, keep this under wraps.
Under wraps means hidden or secret. So keep this under wraps means don't reveal the secret.
Right. Like, keep this under wraps until I'm ready to announce it.
Perfect. What about the phrase, don't breathe a word?
Oh, that's a good one. Don't breathe a word means don't say anything at all about the secret.
For example, I'll tell you, but you can't breathe a word to anyone.
Exactly. These phrases all emphasize the importance of keeping the information private.
Another useful phrase is, it's confidential. This is more formal and professional.
Yes, you might hear that in a work setting. This information is confidential. Please don't share it.
Right. And one more phrase. It's hush-hush.
Hush-hush is an informal way to say something is secret. Like, their relationship is very hush-hush.
These are all great phrases for talking about secrets. Now, let's discuss when it's okay to tell a secret.
That's an important topic. Generally, you should never tell someone's secret without permission.
I agree, but there are some exceptions. What if the secret involves danger?
That's different. If someone's safety is at risk, you might need to tell someone who can help.
Exactly. For example, if a friend tells you they're in an abusive situation, you should help them get support.
Yes, in situations like that, keeping the secret could cause more harm than good.
But for normal secrets, like surprise parties or personal information, you should definitely keep quiet.
Absolutely. Breaking someone's trust can damage your relationship.
Have you ever had someone break your trust and tell your secret?
Yes, actually. In high school, I told a friend that I had a crush on someone. I said, please don't tell anyone.
Let me guess, she told people?
Yes. Within a week, everyone in our class knew. I was so embarrassed and angry.
That must have been awful. Did you confront your friend?
I did. I said, I trusted you with my secret. Why did you tell everyone?
What did she say?
She apologized and said she didn't think it was a big deal. But it was a big deal to me.
That's the problem. What seems small to one person might be very important to another.
Exactly. After that, I was more careful about who I shared secrets with.
That's a valuable lesson. Not everyone is good at keeping secrets.
Unfortunately, that's true. You have to be selective about who you trust.
So how do you know if someone is trustworthy?
Well, you can start by telling them something small and see if they keep it private.
That's smart. It's like a test.
Yes, in a way. You can also observe how they talk about other people. If they gossip a lot, they probably won't keep your secrets.
Good point. People who gossip about others will probably gossip about you, too.
Exactly. That's a red flag.
Red flag means a warning sign. If someone gossips constantly, that's a red flag that they can't be trusted.
Right. On the other hand, if someone respects other people's privacy, they'll probably respect yours.
That makes sense. Now, let's talk about the positive side of secrets. Sometimes secrets can be fun.
Oh, yes. Like planning a surprise for someone. That's a fun secret to keep.
Exactly. Or when you have good news that you're not ready to share yet.
Like if you got a new job but haven't told your current boss yet.
Perfect example. Those kinds of secrets are exciting, not stressful.
True. The difference is that those secrets have an expiration date. You know you'll be able to share them soon.
That's a great observation. The hard secrets are the ones you have to keep forever.
Yes, those can feel like a burden.
Speaking of burdens, there's a saying in English, a secret is like carrying a heavy weight.
That's very true. Some secrets feel heavy because you're holding on to important information.
Exactly. That's why it can be such a relief when you finally don't have to keep the secret anymore.
Absolutely. Like when my sister finally announced her pregnancy, I felt so much lighter.
I can imagine. Okay, before we finish, let's review all the useful phrases we learned today.
Great idea. We learned so many phrases for talking about secrets.
Let's start with the first one. Can you keep a secret?
This question asks if someone is trustworthy enough to hear secret information.
For example, can you keep a secret? I have something important to tell you.
Perfect. The second phrase is, don't tell anyone but.
This phrase introduces a secret you're about to share.
Like, don't tell anyone, but I'm getting married next month.
Great example. Number 3, this is between us.
This means the information should stay private between the people talking.
For example, this is between us, okay? Don't mention it to anyone else.
Good. The fourth phrase is, keep this under wraps.
This means keep the secret hidden and don't reveal it.
Like, we need to keep this under wraps until the official announcement.
Excellent. Number 5, don't breathe a word.
This means don't say anything at all about the secret.
For example, I'll tell you the plan, but don't breathe a word to anyone.
Perfect. The sixth phrase is, it's confidential.
This is a more formal way to say something is secret, often used in professional settings.
Like, this information is confidential. You must sign a non-disclosure agreement.
Good example. And the 7th phrase, it's hush-hush.
This is an informal, casual way to say something is secret.
For example, their engagement is still hush-hush, so don't mention it.
Excellent. We also learned the phrase to confide in someone.
This means to share your secrets or private feelings with someone you trust.
Like, I confide in my sister about everything.
And we learned red flag, which means a warning sign.
For example, if someone gossips all the time, that's a red flag.
These phrases will help you talk about secrets naturally in English.
Definitely. Now it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Are you ready for today's question?
Today's question is, are you good at keeping secrets, or do you find it difficult?
This is an interesting question. Some people find it easy to keep secrets, and others find it very difficult.
Please share your answer in the comments. Are you trustworthy with secrets?
You can write something like, I'm good at keeping secrets because, or I find it difficult to keep secrets when.
We want to hear about your experiences. Have you ever accidentally told a secret?
Or maybe you've had someone break your trust and tell your secret.
Share your stories in the comments. We read every single comment.
And writing in the comments is great practice for your English. So please don't be shy. Tell us about your relationship with secrets.
Great. So, let's summarize what we talked about today.
Today, we discussed secrets and learned 7 useful phrases for talking about secret information in English.
We talked about the importance of being trustworthy and respecting people's privacy.
We shared personal stories about keeping secrets and times when trust was broken.
We learned phrases like, can you keep a secret? Don't tell anyone, but this is between us, and more.
We discussed when it's okay to keep secrets and when it might be necessary to tell someone for safety reasons.
We hope this conversation helped you understand how to talk about secrets in English.
Remember, being trustworthy is an important quality. If someone confides in you, respect their trust.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily English Talk, and turn on notifications.
We have new English conversations every week on practical topics like this one.
So, from both of us,
Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, some things are better kept secret.
goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.